Welcome to Tech Research, how to get ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free and how many days we are accessing these features free of cost. Let's start on my Mac screen. First of all, you just simply open here your ChatGPT account. This is my ChatGPT account. Open the ChatGPT account and look at this here. Claim offer is showing for me personally. You can open your ChatGPT account and you can see here such offer is showing. If I claim here, so boom, I'm able to access ChatGPT Plus absolutely free for 1 month as a Plus subscription. If I claim here, claim for free, getting your plan is ready, unlocking, wait couple of seconds. So look at this here, start your free Plus trial, absolutely free, cancel anytime, will remind you before trial end. Today I need to pay here 0 Danish krona. So here you need to provide here your Apple Pay. If you use Apple Pay, providing the scan this QR code using iPhone and very easily pay this amount. Or second option here, you need to add here card detail, expiry date and security code. I use first option, Apple Pay. I just simply open here my iPhone, scan this QR code, Apple QR code, and look at this here. The here payment related option is showing me. So first 30 days. If I click here, I complete this payment. Wait couple of seconds. Payment is completed. Premium subscription. So here is done. If you see here, the Plus subscription I am receiving here. If you can see here in the screen, here the Premium Plus is showing. Upgrade plan, and my current plan is a plus one. I can use this feature absolutely free for 1 month. So this is the very simple process. Using this process, you can very easily get ChatGPT Plus subscription for 1 month absolutely free. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.